you in another episode of my Second Corvette Show. I'm the host, John Chat.
Oh my god. I can't wait to get one.
And I want you to hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to my channel.
That sounds so good. Oh my god. I can't wait to get one.
And it is C8 2023 06 Corvette.
I can't wait to get one.
The base model, the Z06 exhaust is in the center of the vehicle.